Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 1 6 count. Maddie.
Peter.
Here's what we did. I do leader footwork. She does follower. We started out simple. We went rock, step, slow, slow. Rock, step, slow, slow. I start with my left.
I start with my right.
Rock, step, slow, slow. Then we faced our partner and did the same thing. Just have a little hitch, no thumbs. Connect up like this, and we did rock, step, slow, slow. It should be mirror image. The number one thing you should do is just that footwork a million times. We made it a little fancier eventually by going rock, step, triple step, triple step. Let's show that solo. Triple step, triple step. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. That's your number one homework. Even if you don't have a partner, just do that footwork a million times. You will get better at everything. We also did closed position. It means my hand is on Maddie's back. We'll work on this more next week, but for the record, kind of the middle of the back, not low and floopy and not high and controlling, just in the middle, right there. And then the hand just like this. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step. You should hear this mantra in your head and you should hate it. That's how much you want to hear it. We did 2 moves. We'll do them the simple way first. We did quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, and you keep dancing. You can do it with one hand if you like. We're over here. Remember, you don't move them to the second one. Quick, quick, slow, then you go. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Leaders, you can move them. It is legal. Same thing with triple steps. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, and keep on dancing. You can find your way right back and do it again and again forever. Yay!